I would like to plant daylilies near our house foundation where there are lots of small rocks for drainage. Where there's plenty of sun, can I plant daylilies in a well-drained area with full sun? And this is Donna. So you think about that. You like daylilies.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, of course.
Of course, he says.
Yeah. And the only thing I can say is that if it is really rocky and well-drained, like she's talking about, and it gets really sunny, just in times when there's no rain, just make sure that they're, they'll tell you, they'll start wilting.
Sure.
But just give them some extra water. That's the only thing I'd say. I think it's a great place for them.
Okay.
Daylilies like sun.
Okay.
And well-drained soil.
And well-drained soil. So it's okay next to the house foundation?
Sure.
You have no problem with that? So they'll be fine? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And think about daylilies too, they're versatile. You can also plant them in wet areas. That's what I did.
And different kinds do better. Different species and different varieties do better in different areas.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and I think she's probably worried about the pH with the lime and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And that it should be fine.
Should be okay? Okay. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.